Hi everyone, it's Joy from Artful Homemaking, and today we're going to be making homemade vanilla extract for gift giving. I realize we've already done a homemade vanilla extract tutorial before in the past. Homemade vanilla is something I've been making for years and years, but today we're going to be making it in these cute little bottles, the little lid, and they're going to be perfect for giving as Christmas gifts this year, or any other occasion that you might have, or if you just want to make them for your own personal use, that works too. So all you're going to need to make these are some containers. You can use jars or bottles. I'll put a link in the description below to the little bottles that I'm using. I think they're really cute and great for little gifts. And then you need some vodka, and I just use the cheap kind that you can get at any grocery store. I don't get anything specific, just some inexpensive vodka. And then you're going to need vanilla beans. The beans that I have today I got from my food co-op at a really good price, but you can also find them on Amazon, and I'll put some links to them below for different options. Let's get started making this homemade vanilla extract. So to start, I just take each bean. First I cut it in half, and then I split it down the middle with a pair of kitchen shears. I find kitchen shears just work a lot better than trying to use a knife. So first I cut it in half, then I cut them down the middle. Then we're just going to put about 1.5 beans into each one of these little jars. So the ratio, it doesn't have to be exact, but the ratio is about 3 to 4 beans per 8 ounces of vodka. So 3 to 4 beans per cup, something like that. It doesn't have to be exact though. So for these little tiny jars, I'm just gonna put about 1.5 beans total. So a whole one and then a half a piece. All you're going to do is take your vodka and fill the little bottle. And then put the lid on it, and then shake it a little bit. And you'll just want to shake it every couple days or so. So that's all there is to it, to making your own homemade vanilla extract for gift giving. We have these cute little bottles filled with some vanilla beans and some vodka, and as I mentioned, just shake them every now and then and put them just in a dark place. I usually just put them in my pantry. So just store them in the pantry, and I'd let them sit there and brew for about 2 to 3 months, and they should be nice and dark brown by then. 4 months is even better if you can make them in advance, but it's just a really fun and usually very appreciated gift to receive homemade vanilla extract. So hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, I'd love for you to subscribe and join us as we create a simple, natural, handmade home.